Maybe you put off the fact that you need a side mirror, tires, or actually just need a new-to-you car altogether.
The side mirror thing you put in there for me, didn't you?
I didn't. Do you need one? I know where you can go.
I did, yeah. But the side mirror got dinked on the garage backing up. Well, you didn't have to snicker. More than 1,800 vehicles, nearly 2,000 of them in their salvage yard. You're likely to find that mirror at Lucky's Self Auto Parts on Alpine. And you better believe they have jaw-dropping prices on a drive-off-the-lot vehicle, too. Take a look.
You're standing in a salvage facility right now. Bring your own tools, pull your own parts, so that way you can save a ton of money. Most parts that you'll find are less than half the cost you would at a store. So in some cases, you're looking to get brakes or something for a vehicle and you find them on a good vehicle out here, and normal brake job running $300, you're looking at maybe 50 bucks coming out of a salvage facility like this. Also, we give life to second vehicle. Somebody brings a car in or we have a repossession, we'll put it out for a budget vehicle for somebody who's looking for a deal. Basically, it's just a flow through here. Cars come in off the streets or auctions or anything like that, and we process them. Basically, in processing, fluids drained, everything is all taken out of the vehicle. That's any contamination to the ground, and then the vehicles are brought out to the yard and set in a fashion of your GMs, your Fords, your imports, your Chryslers, and then somebody can easily find what they're looking for to pull their own parts. We do have a full inventory of our vehicles that are out there, so it doesn't hurt to call sometimes if you're not 100% sure if we got a vehicle, but we do have a full inventory on our website too, and it gives the row number where the car is, so you're just already prepared when you come in the door. Our facility is a completely self-serve facility, but we do have like what we call mechanics for rent. They're people who frequent our yard and buy parts for themselves. But they'll put their number on a board that we have over there, and people can actually call them and say, hey, I'm not sure about pulling this part. Would you help me pull this part? And then, they're not affiliated with us by any means, but they work together, and then somebody will come in and actually pull a part for somebody, and then they just have to come in and pay for their part. If you have an old junker sitting in the backyard that's been sitting there for 5 years, you don't know what to do with, you just call, you tell us the year, make, model. If it's something we have to come pick up or it's something you're gonna bring in, and then we'll literally give you a quote right over the phone and you get paid the same day when you bring a vehicle in. Right now, we're sitting a little over 1,800 vehicles, cars, trucks, SUVs, all makes and models. Hopefully towards the end, we want to be sitting around maybe 2,000 out there. One of the largest facilities in Michigan. We do reclaim a lot of our fluids, like your washer solvents, antifreeze, that's all easily reclaimable out of the vehicle. And then we put it back in jugs, and then you're paying way less of the cost. Instead of going to the parts store and paying $18 for a gallon of antifreeze, you're only looking at $4 here. Batteries, same thing. We can actually take those batteries out, bring them back to life, make them a good battery, and we set them up here for sale at more than half the cost of a battery that you could get at a store. We even pull aftermarket radios out of vehicles. Also, we put singles out on our rack out there, so if you're just looking for one tire, they start as low as 10 bucks for a tire. So, it's a great way to save money, and especially with winter coming, it's usually our busy tire season. Back in our crush building, they'll remove everything from the vehicle as far as the motor, all the cores, brakes, everything to the car is basically a shell, and then that car will be crushed. And then those cars are sent to another facility that recycles them again. They're milled down, and that's going to turn into metal for future vehicles being built. So it's kind of like a huge recycling circle. A lot of facilities you see separation of processing and end of life, and then you got your sales, and everything's all kind of separate. But here we kind of put everything all together as one. So, I can walk right out the door, processing's right there. I can talk to the processing manager, or, go back in the crush building, it's right here. Our budget lot, it's right here. I have a budget lot guy. He basically will go out when vehicles come in, and he's gonna check those vehicles before he even brings them in for candidates that he thinks is, second life of a vehicle. Finds them, brings them in, and then he actually goes through them, puts them up in the air, checks anything mechanical, sees anything wrong with it. If it's something that we have out in the yard, we'll actually replace that part, make it a good running vehicle, and then we set it out here for, $3,000 or under, basically, for just about any vehicle I have sitting out here. You purchase a vehicle from us, chances are you're gonna find parts for that vehicle out there as well.
I just made my Monday.
You need a side mirror. I found you one.
I need a side mirror for the Mazda.
I'm sorry, but I'm blown away by the $29.95, less than $3,000 for some of those cars.
Yeah.
There was nothing wrong with them.
That's amazing.
Yes, Lucky's Self-Serve Auto Parts is located at 1981 Alpine Avenue Northwest. You can learn more by calling 616-257-1346 or visit luckyselfserve.com. They know their stuff there.